how long you been in Hong Kong?
7 years.
7 years. Oh, only. Can you speak a little bit Cantonese?
Very basic. Like I can handle this reception job, but some big question I cannot respond.
Do you like this job?
Yeah. We just opened 4 days ago.
Oh, you enjoy dim sum?
Of course. Otherwise I wouldn't be here.
What's your name and can
Jessica.
you? Oh, Jessica.
I'm from Russia.
Oh, you're from Russia.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but-
Can you introduce a bit yourself?
I came here as a model. Even until now, I work as a model. And sometimes acting, shooting for movies, TV series, TVB sometimes.
Oh.
Yeah, and working for events, for some fashion shows. Yeah, but now I just, yeah,
Part time?
until this end of December, full time. But from January, it will be more part time.
Because you have your job.
Yeah, I have some shootings going on as well. Because Michael introduced me to
His
place.
friend.
Yeah, like friends to friends introducing. Yeah, and they just want me to be here.
Okay.
And it's quite interesting contrast, you know, the Cantonese local dim sum restaurant with a foreigner who speak Cantonese, right?
Yeah.
So it's wow, something unusual.
So I hope you enjoy your.
Yes, so
you
much.
enjoy here.
Yes.
Okay. Your experience.
Experience on this job.
Yeah.
I finally experienced Hong Kong culture, like from inside. Because before I just experienced Hong Kong culture on the shootings, like backstage and this kind of events. But here, I understand more how people behave on the lunchtime, how to queue up, how to manage the crowd. And it's pretty interesting.
You also work daytime.
Yes. Yeah,
I thought you
full-time.
only at night.
No, full time, like day and night time.
Oh, daytime is very busy.
Very busy. Around 200 people queuing up, and we need to manage everybody. But I need someone to help me, of course, because there's so many people. But all successfully done.
Oh, it's good experience.
It's
Yeah.
very good experience. I love it.
OK，呢個蓮香居嘅裝修咧，係真係令人感覺係好舒服嘅，好優雅。嗱，佢有啲竹啦，同埋有啲嗰啲屏風啊。我坐下咧，就睇見佢嗰啲窗咧，就好似教堂嗰啲玻璃咁啊，即係係咪叫哥德式啊？我唔知係嘛。咁咧就望落去好舒服嘅，咁坐落去咧就機明窗靜咁啦嚇。咁同埋咧，佢即係嗰啲好多呢啲竹嘅裝飾啊令到你咧即係飲茶咧係覺得係即係個心情咧係好即係好愉悅啦。咁嗱最特別咧就係蓮香冇咗佢張標誌台我哋去蓮香樓啊、蓮香居啊、蓮香棧啊，全部都係2層噶嘛。嗱咁呢度咧就打破佢傳統咯喎，得1層台面。即係2層嘅玻璃啊，上面玻璃，下邊有玻璃俾你擺嘢嘅咁咧，佢而家呢個咧就得1層嘅啫。如果係即係你話同尖沙咀，我就覺得呢一間咧係精緻啲嗱，譬如我哋用呢啲竹凳啦，佢好多竹嘅裝飾啦，咁竹嘅嗰個欄杆啦令你咧就坐落去咧個感覺咧係好和諧、好舒服。我最中意佢個地磚，佢個地磚咧係好靚啊！每一個地磚都係一條金龍嚟嘅，入到嚟感覺咧好舒服。可能咧我而家呢個時間咧就唔係人多啊，所以咪覺得即係比較舒服啲啊，冇咁嘈雜啊。我就唔知佢晏晝啦，啲姐姐係掛住嗰啲盤啊，點心盤出嚟賣啊，我就而家見唔到啊。仲有咧，今日咧，我揾個好位，3位財神對住我。好得意喎！行過嚟先至發現咧，呢度咧有一個係 waiting area， 係俾啲客係坐度等嘅原來佢呢度，哇！呢度好靚喎，原來佢呢度係3樓嚟嘅呢度咧可以行落去嘅。咁呢啲客咧，如果係要等咧，需要坐咧，就可以喺呢度坐，好貼心喎。 好靚啊，好靚啊！嗱，呢個 lift 咧，嗱先頭咧，嗱我冇食鳳爪啦，我有幾樣嘢都冇食啦。哇！你個喂好靚啊！佢呢個蝦餃，下次一定要食啊！咁咧呢一部咧就係蓮香居嘅電梯啊，咁啊直上3樓就到去嗰度嘅。咁出邊咧，嗱對面就係始創中心啦嚇。嗱咁啊始創中心咧，嗱呢度就有個教堂嘅，咁啊教堂斜對面。嗱，呢個涼茶鋪係屈咗入嚟㗎嚇，喺個涼茶鋪嗰度要屈入嚟咧，呢度咧裏邊咧係有生發商業中心啊，咁咧係有部 lift 上去嘅3樓。我剛才嚟嘅時候咧，就因為我知道佢呢個係角位啊嘛，即係我睇見佢張相係角位，但係兩邊都係冇門口㗎，原來要屈到入嚟先有門口㗎喎，先有 lift 搭㗎嚇。咁我哋大家認住啦嚇，對面咧就始創中心啦。嗱，咁啊呢條咧就係西洋菜南街。嗱，咁啊多多咧就啱啱咧就企喺嗰兩隻竹角嗰度喎，幾有趣喎呢個背景嚇。咁啊多多咧就諗起啦嚇，咁啊民以食為天啦。咁啊嗱，我早排經常同大家咧去食2餸飯啊、3餸飯啊咁嗰啲咧嚇。咁我哋間唔中食翻一餐有質素嘅咧都唔錯啊。